Hi, first grade. Happy Friday. I hope you had a great week. I am so proud of you for all the work that you have done this week. Thank you so much. It is Friday, which means it is time for our spelling test. So if you're watching this video, that tells Miss Rudolph that you have your paper with your name on it, and it is numbered 1 to 11, and that you are ready to go. Before we get started, I would like everyone to get calm in their seats. I want everybody to take a deep breath in. Hold it. Let it out. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Let it out. One more time. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Let it out. All right. I think you're all calm and relaxed and we are ready for our spelling test. Miss Rudolph just wants you to try your best. If you make a mistake, if you write something wrong, that is totally okay. I just want you to try your best and I want to see what your beautiful brains know. So when I say each word, I want you to do your best to spell it, write it as you hear it. So if you need to sound out the words, that is totally fine. But the main thing I want you to realize is stay calm and try your best, okay? So here we go. Number one. Number one. Each. Each. They each had an ice cream cone. Each. Number two. Number two. Which? Which? Which one do you want? Cheese or pepperoni? Which? Number three. She. She. She is going to play a game with me. She. Number four. Number four. Do. Do. Do you like to play outside? Do. Do. Number five. How. How. How are you doing today? How. Number six. Hat. Hat. I like your hat. Number seven. Cap. Cap. He has a cap on his head. Cap. Number eight. Fan. Fan. I like to use my fan when it is hot outside. Fan. Number nine. Bat. Bat. You use a bat in baseball. Bat. And number 10, tap. Sorry. Number 10 is tap. I like to tap dance. Tap. Okay, really quickly, I'm going to go through each one just so you make sure you have 1 through 10. Number 1 is each. Number 2 is which. Number 3 is she. Number 4 is do. Number 5 is how. Number 6 is hat. Number 7 is cap. Number 8 is fan. Number 9 is bat. And number 10 is tap. So now for number 11, you need to take one of those words, one of those 10 words, and you need to write me a complete sentence. Remember, friends, What does a sentence start with? What should we be doing while we're writing our sentence? What does a sentence end with? Okay, think about all those questions as you're writing your sentence, and that's for number 11. Once you have all your work done, 1 through 11, you can take a picture of it and post it to Seesaw. Great job, friends. Give yourself 5 pats on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You did it. I'm so proud of you, and I will see you later, Gators. Bye.